me and hear me? Yes? Thank you for the thumbs up. My name is Miss Anuja. What is your name? All right, you all get a chance to introduce yourself one by one. Okay? All right, who wants to go first? You can raise your hand. Yep, anybody? Please switch on your audio and introduce yourself. All right.
My name is Jelail.
All right. Hi, Jalail. Welcome. Thank you. Next. All right. Anyone can go first. That's fine. Any one of you. Please switch on your audio.
My name is Luca.
All right, Luca, welcome to the session. And then we have
My name's Kose.
Kosi. All right, Kosi, welcome. So, hi. Do you know what we are going to do today? No. All right, no problem. I'm going to teach you something really fun today. Okay. So before we do that, we are going to play a game. Okay. And you are going to tell me how to play this game. All right. So you all can keep your audios on. So just switch on your audios, all of you. All right. And I'm going to share my screen and you're going to tell me how to do this. All right. So you can just speak up and tell me. Okay. Great. All right. So you can see my screen. Yes. Great. All right. So do you see there is a red circle here on the left side? And on the right side down, you see there is a green rectangle. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to take this red circle, okay, towards the green rectangle, which you see on the right side down. Now, can you tell me where should I go? Up or down?
Down.
Down. Very good. Then right or left?
Right.
Right. And you are right. And then up or down?
Up. Up.
Up. Very good. Then right or left?
Right.
Right. Very good. Then up or down?
Up. Up.
Up. Right or left?
Left. Right.
Right. And then?
Down.
Down. Sure? Yes. There we go. Very good. You got it. You won the game. So what were we trying to do? We were trying to tell the computer to do something? Yes? Do you think so? Do you think I was just talking to the computer? No. Then do you think I used something from the computer? Yes. What do you think I used? My keyboard. All right. And what possibly I used from my keyboard? Arrow keys. Yes, that's absolutely right. I use my arrow keys. So we were talking to the computer in its language, right? For example, you all can understand what I'm speaking, right? So I'm talking in a language which you all can understand, right? So the same way, the also has a language, okay? And that language is called as coding, okay? Have you heard of this word before? Yes. All right. It is oh, I forgot his name. His name is Jalis. No. I cannot hear you. Just a minute. Let me just check my speakers. Yeah, it's working actually. All right. So yes, so I use my keyboards, right? And I use my arrow keys from the keyboard, right? To give instructions up, down, right, left. Okay. So today we are going to use a platform called as Scratch. What is the name of the platform?
Scratch.
Scratch, yes. So you all are going to scratch your head like that. No, I'm just kidding. You are going to think and learn something, right? And learn to code. Okay, so let's learn. Now I'm going to share my screen again. Okay, so eyes on the screen and listen carefully. Okay, so now let me just go back to the screen. Great. There we go. So now, do you see something on your screen? Yes, no? Very good. So you have to either say yes or no, because I will not come to know. Great. All right. Now on the left side, do you see there are some colored dots?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. So one by one, I want you to read what is there. Okay. So Kosi, can you start, please? This one here.
Motion.
Motion. Very good. Luca, next.
Looks.
Very good. Next. Oh, you were on mute, I think. Jilis. Oh, your sound is. I still cannot hear you. Can anyone hear him?
No.
No, right? Yeah. All right. Chalice, can you hear me? Well, I cannot hear you yet. All right. So till then, Jealous, you can look at the screen. I'm going to talk. Well, so then we have sound next. Cozy, what is next?
Prevent.
Very good. After that, Luca.
Control.
All right. Then we have sensing, and then we have operators, variables, right? So all these blocks, which you see on the left side, is the computer's language. Okay. So whichever blocks you see on the left side, when you click on it, we can actually move, we can drag them, and we can use it. Okay. Right. So I think I can hear Jealous now, right? Yeah. Great. Okay, thank you. Okay, now if you see this middle area, this is the coding area. Okay, so the left side, you have these coding blocks. Now the middle area is the coding area. And on the right side, you see there is a stage. Correct? We call this a stage where you can actually see those letters, right? Now the letters here are called as sprites. Okay, they are just like characters. You see in movies or in animation, there are characters, right? Or in stories, there are characters, right? So similarly, we have characters here, okay? So today we are going to make a simple thank you card, okay? And you all are going to help me to make it, okay? All ready?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Very good. Thank you. All right. Now, do you think something is missing in this? Some letters are missing?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Can you tell me which letters are missing, all of you?
A.
Yes, A is
O.
missing and O. Yes, absolutely right. So now we have to add these letters. Okay, we are going to add them. Now let's see how to add it. If you see here, there is a circle. Yeah. So I'm going to click on it and then I just go to letters. Okay. And first we are going to add a A. Great. We have this A, right? And we are just going to place it here, right? So we have our word thank, correct? Now let's add the next letter. Can anybody tell me what should I do to add the next letter?
Choose a new sprite.
Very good. Then,
Go to the letters.
all right.
Scroll down.
Scroll down. Okay. And then
Click.
Luke. Yes. So Luca and Cozy, is that correct? Should I click on it?
Yep.
Yes. All right. Very good. There we go. So we have the O here. So you have thank you, right? Okay. Now let's add something more to this. Okay. We are going to add a star. Okay. So let's see. Where do I go now to add a star?
Choose a sprite.
Yes. Now I want Luca and Cozy to tell me. And then should I search for a star here?
Yep. Yes.
Yep. S-T-A-R. We have the star. Great. So we have the star here. Okay. And now what I want to do is I want the star to change the color. Okay. But I want it to be like a twinkling star. You know what is a twinkling star?
Yep.
Twink, 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 twink. Yes. So let's see how to code. So now what are we going to use?
Use the events.
We are going to use the coding blocks. Okay. All right. So Jealous says that we are going to use events. Okay. All right. So what should I use from events? What do you think? Anybody?
When green flag clicks.
Okay. Luca and Cozy, what do you think? What should I use from events? Anything. You could just come up with your idea. Whichever. There's no right and wrong. You can just tell me. No problem.
Green flag.
Green flag. Okay. Luca, what do you think?
Green flag.
Green flag. Okay. So what did I do? I just dragged it and I just put it here, right? So I have the green flag click. And what do I do next? I want to change.
Go to the looks and control.
Okay, go to looks and control. What about Luca and Cozy? What should I take from looks to change the color?
Set color affected to 0.
Set color effect to 0. All right. But let's see what happens. So I have the set color effect to 0. Okay. Let's click on the green flag. Is anything happening?
No.
Nothing is happening. All right. So can anybody tell me what I can use to change the color?
Change color effect by 25.
All right. So Luca and Cozy, do you think I should take this one?
Yes.
All right. So now let's see what happens. Yes, it's changing. Yeah. But we want a twinkling star, right? So what do we want to do? We have something from control which we can use.
Forever.
And yes. Now I want somebody to explain what is the meaning of forever. What do you think? What is forever? Anybody knows?
It keeps on going.
Yes, it keeps on going on. Yes, that's right, Cozy. Very good. Luca, what do you think? What is forever?
It stays like it.
It stays like it. All right. And something like after the day, there is night. After night, there is a day, right? So this keeps on going on and on, right? So what we want to do with the star? We want the star to just twinkle, right? So do you think this forever block is going to be useful? Yes or no? You all are looking so serious. You just smile. It's fine if it is wrong. Okay? You all are here to learn, so don't worry. Okay? So let's see what to do. Let's see how to use the forever block. Great. So we have the forever block. And should I put this inside this? It will be useful? Yeah? Okay, let's see what happens now. Yes, very good. You all did a great job today. You see, you have all the star. Good job. Very good. Now we have the twinkling star. Now what do we want to do? I want the star to move. Okay, I want it to glide all over the space on the stage.
Use the motion.
I use the motion. Okay. Now next, Luca and Cozy are going to tell me, what should I use from motion so it will move?
Move.
Move 10 steps or this one? Which block should I use from these two?
Move 10 steps.
Move 10 steps. Okay, let's see. And should I put it in forever?
Yes.
Okay. Is it moving? Yeah. But do you think it's just going to one direction on the right side, right? It's not coming inside. So we can actually just take this here and then delete it. Okay. Sorry. All right. Okay, let's see what happens with the glide. What is happening?
It glides to a random position for 1 second.
Yes, it's gliding to random position for 1 second. And what is random position? It's going anywhere on the screen, right?
Yep.
So if you see, what am I trying to tell the computer? I am giving a set of instructions for the computer to follow, right? So if we just say, I want it to move forever and I just do this much, do you think it's going to work? No.
No.
If I want it to move forever, I have to place the instructions in the correct sequence. Okay. So if you see here, we are using a sequence, right? And you have to give it in the proper order. Okay. So if you see here, now it's working. All right. Now, all three of you have to tell me, what should I do if I want to change a color of a letter? Any one of you. Give me the instruction.
Press the looks.
Press the looks. Okay, first tell me which letter. And any one letter you can choose.
T.
T, okay. So if you see down here, there's a small square.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so we just click on it and you can see the coding area of that. Okay, so now we can code here for the letter T. Yeah, tell me, yeah. So we go to looks and take.
Change color effect.
Okay, and Cozy, what should I do? I want the color to change forever.
Go to control
Very good.
and go to click drag wherever to change color effect.
All right, and is there anything missing?
Events.
Events. Luca, where are you? Okay.
When
And
green flag clicked.
when green flag clicked. All right. Great. We have one more twinkling letter, right? Great. Very good. So now, can anybody tell me? I'm going to take a quick quiz. Okay. And if you give the right answer, I'm going to give you a star. Okay. All right. Can anybody tell me what is the color of the motion block? Is it green or blue?
Blue.
No.
Very good, Luca. You got a superstar. Good job. All right, next. What is the color of events block?
Yellow.
Yellow, yes. Who said that? Very good. All right. Scratch is a programming language. Do you think is it true?
Yes.
Yes. What is programming? Can anybody tell me quickly?
Programming is a coding.
Programming is coding. Cozy, do you think so? Cozy and Luca?
Yes.
Yes. Great. You all get the great job. Superstar. You all are already so good at this. Did you ever try coding on your own?
Yes.
Yes, you all have tried this. That's great. What did you try? Did you try Scratch or something else?
Scratch.
Scratch already. Great. Cozy and Luca, did you also try?
I tried Scratch Junior.
You tried Scratch Junior. Okay. And Luca?
I don't think.
Okay, no problem. So it's fine. So what we can do is you all are going to call your parents now, and I'm going to talk to them. Okay? All right, great,
Parents, kailangan daw.
great. All right.
Kailangan daw ng parents.
Oh, that's lovely.
Here.
Hi, can you all hear me?
Wait, please.
Yes, I'm waiting.
Can you stay with me, Cousin?
No, we cannot talk.
Okay.
I think yeah, great.
Alright.
All right.
Konnichiwa.
Yes.
Oh,
Hi.
hello.
Hi, all of you. Thank you so much for joining this session today. My name is Miss Anuja. So I believe you all were here to see what we were doing. As this was a group session, we could not actually have each one of them do it. But obviously, when we have these group classes, each one gets a chance to complete their projects, and they will be doing the lessons. So I just wanted to understand that all of you, like, have you ever explored coding before, or this is just the first time you had a demo about coding, or?
It's our first time.
First time.
My son said
Okay.
he did something like that at school.
Yes. All right. Now, why am I asking? So I can give you all an idea of what this is, and I'll just share a short presentation about what is coding and why it is important. Okay. You all can see my screen,
Yes.
right? So great. So let me just present this. Okay. Okay, so what is coding? So people think that coding is just computer science, and yes, it is, but then it's how we communicate with the computers. And if you see right now, everything is going digital, especially after the pandemic. All the things are digital. We are so much dependent on them, right? So what are we trying to do here is we are trying to teach kids how to think logically and improve their creativity while learning coding, right? It's not just that we are just telling them how to use some blocks, but it's also enhancing so many things. They can understand the world better. It's fun for them because this is like a visual-based block coding, and this helps them solve the problems. So definitely we want these children to be problem solvers. I have seen a lot of shy kids turning out to be really brilliant after learning this. And it builds in the sense of their, it really improves their creativity and their understanding of various other subjects like maths and geometry, because all these are introduced. So what we are using is we are using the Scratch platform, which is like a drag and drop coding experience. So if you see, this is like the basis of going towards the text-based languages. You might have heard of Python or Java, right? So if they know this, if they know the fundamentals of coding, it might be easier for them to understand the other languages later. And not only that, they can create their own animation and games while they are building these projects, right? So we are introducing them to, like I'm introducing them to these concepts using the Scratch platform. So when we start with the beginner level, we start building like short stories, just to 1 or 2 characters are talking. And then slowly we go towards the game development, right? So first I want them to really understand the coding fundamentals, and then we move on to making like bigger projects and some complex concepts. Okay, so yes, so that's it. And I just wanted to give you an idea of how many classes. So 1 month has 4 sessions and only once a week, but it will be for an hour. Because if I will have like around, if I have 3 students in a class, I want them to get enough time to do this. I think a 30-minute class would be too short, and I won't get much time to explain. Okay, so these classes will be for an hour. And so for the beginner level, we have 8 sessions. So this might take 2 months for them to complete. And the timings we can adjust, like you all can tell me which timings are suitable for you, and then I can adjust my time and we can cooperate. All right, thank you so much. And yes, so I think I believe I understand that we are done with the session. And
Bye.
bye. Bye. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.